How to see the devices that connected to your Pinterest account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the devices that connected to your Pinterest account easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to pinterest.com and go to the top right here and go to settings. Now after you go to settings, you need to go to security and logins right here and go down. You will find connected devices and click show settings and you will find them. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.